Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get MrBeast in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to combine fire and water to create a steam. After creating a steam, we should combine it with fire to create an engine. After creating an engine, we should combine it with steam again to create a train. After creating a train, we should combine two engines to create a rocket. We should combine rocket and train to create the bullet train. After that, we should combine another rocket and another rocket to create a satellite. Now we should combine satellite and bullet train to create an internet. After that, we should combine fire and earth to create a lava. After creating a lava, combine it with water to create a stone. After that, combine stone with steam to create a geyser. Now combine geyser and internet to create YouTube. Now that we have YouTube, we should combine another earth and another earth to create a mountain. Next is combine water and water to create a lake. After that, combine lake with mountain to create fjord. Now combine fjord with water to create a whale. After that, combine earth and wind to create a dust. Then combine the dust with whale to create a sperm. After creating a sperm, combine it with dust to create a baby. And then combine the baby with YouTube to make a YouTuber. Now that we have YouTuber, we should combine another lake and another lake to create an ocean. Then combine fire and wind to create a smoke. Then combine smoke and smoke to create a cloud. And then combine cloud plus fire to create a lightning. Now that we have lightning, combine it with ocean to create a squid. Then combine squid with internet to create Squid Game. And then finally, combine Squid Game and YouTuber to create MrBeast. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.